In this video, I'll show you how to add a countdown timer to your videos in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, in this video, I'll assume that you've already made your edits or you're actually working on your edits and you just want to add either a count up or a countdown timer. It's pretty easy inside Descript, but it's slightly hidden. So what we're going to do is we have our video clip right here. Let's go to text, captions. Yes, these are the fancy captions. And simply put, what you now need to do is you can go to this particular option, the live text option here, click on the drop down next to the captions and go to timer. Pretty simple. So you'll see a timer here and you can resize this and maybe put it somewhere like somewhere there. Can resize this as well. Then adjust it to where you want it to be, maybe somewhere there. And then we can click on this properties panel right here and we can actually move it to the side. So this is live text and the type is a count up. You can also have a count down. So it counts down to 00 and so on and so forth. Where do you want it to go? To the end or to the next marker? So it's really awesome, especially if you have or want to show people what the next thing is and you have markers in your videos, then this can help you show people that the next good thing in your video is coming up, or the next maybe point that you want to make is coming up in the next marker, and that is shown by the timer right here. So once we do that, we can say we do a countdown and then we can close this. You can also change the parameters right here. You can change the font. Let's say we want to go with a bold font, bold, and then you can change the size right here. But let's assume we also want to change the feel, maybe to something like that. And we have a new color there. And then let's say we want to add a border. Let's do white. That looks good. That looks good right there. So we can leave it as it is, but we can also even actually add a background if you want to. Maybe something like a slightly a transparent kind of background, so it looks good. And if you play a video, thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you the best, stay safe, and until next time, never stop learning. So it looks really, really good. And that's really awesome to be able to add a timer in Descript Storyboard. I wish it had maybe other parameters, like you can only have maybe the seconds right here without the minutes and so on and so forth. But hopefully in future, it's going to be improved. That's it from me. And that is how to add a countdown or a count up timer to your videos in Descript Storyboard. Thanks for watching.